morning, everyone. Good afternoon and good evening. Welcome back to our podcast, Meet the Legend Lover. My name is Sylvia Ramawati and I be your host today. Today we are going to talk about one most famous the legend from Indonesia. We have a legend fluff with us today.
Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Tiara Rizky Amalia.
Hey Tiara, how are you?
I'm good, thank you for having me. I'm really happy to talk about the legend story of Lake Toba today.
So Tiara, what are you interested in the legend of Lake Toba?
Because I think the story is really unique and interesting. It tells us about the origin of Lake Toba and it also has an important moral lesson.
Okay, then there is a little bit about it. What is the legend of Lake Toba?
The story is about a man named Toba. He lived a simple life and worked as a fisherman and fisherman. One day, he went fishing and caught a beautiful fish.
So, what happened to the fish?
Well, this is the interesting part. The fish suddenly turned into a beautiful woman. She later became Toba's wife, but she gave him one condition.
What was the condition?
Toba could never tell anyone that his wife actually came from fish. Toba promised keep the secret.
Whoa, that's a pretty big secret. Did they have a child?
Yes, they had a son named Samosir.
And this is where the conflict started, right?
Exactly. One day, Toba asked Samosir to deliver some food, but Samosir ate the food before delivering some it.
Oh no, I guess Toba got really angry. What happened next?
Toba was tired and angry, so he lost his temper. He accidentally called Samosir Fison.
Oh, so Toba revealed his wife's secret.
Yes, even though he had promised never tell anyone.
So the main conflict was only about Sumatra eating the food, but also about Toba losing his temper and breaking his promise.
That's right. I think that's one of the most important of the story.
So what happened after Toba broke his promise?
His wife was very sad and disappointed. Then heavy rain started falling and the water began to rise. In the end, the whole area became a hook lake, which is now known as Lake Toba.
And Samosir Island also come from this story, right?
Yes, the place where Samosir became Samosir Island.
Wow, the story is actually pretty deep. So, which part of the story do you like the most?
I like the part when the fish turned into a woman and when the conflict eventually leads to the formation of Lake Toba. Those parts make the story is unique and exciting.
I agree. And what can we learn from the story?
We can learn to keep our promise and control our emotion. We should also think before we speak, especially when we're angry.
Exactly. So the moral lesson of the legend of Lake Toba is that we should keep our promise, control our emotion, and think before we speak, so we don't regret our words later.
That's really good conclusion.
Thank you, Tiara, for talking and sharing with us today.
You're welcome and thank you for having me.
And that's all for today episode of Meet the Legend Lover. See you next time.
See you.
What it takes to